G'day guys, Alex Ryan here. Do you want to know a hot product, right? This is actually selling really well on Amazon right now. Have a look at this. This is called a pet de-shedding brush glove, all right? So if you love your furry friends but hate how much they shed, these pet-friendly gloves are what animal lovers obsess about, right? They ensure that the loose fur is collected. Now, I hate having brushes, right? I love having these gloves. It's kind of like barbecue. You know what actually does really well? Barbecue gloves, where you put them on, it can withstand heat up to like 300 degrees, and you can actually pick up steaks and sausages and all that sort of stuff. You don't need tongs. This is kind of like that, but for your pets, right? So you can brush your pets with your hands, and they love that. They probably prefer that a little bit more, right? So very simple product. It meets these specs, right? Simple, lightweight, small, turnover, right? So you need to make sure it does meet these specs in terms of the product that you jump on Amazon, right? Because like I said, it's a very simple product. It can't break, it can't explode. There's no batteries in this, right? Very basic, very simple product. Lightweight, small, turnover. There's a few other things you look for as well. Like I typically say, less than 100 reviews, ideally, right? Because you want to jump on products that, you know, if it's got 1,000 reviews and you're listing for the first time and you got one review, right, which is left by your mum or your dad, right, people are going to flock to the 1,001 reviews. So you want to jump up the products that have less than 100 reviews, meaning there's a bit of a wiggle room for you to jump in on the market, all right? So that's the product for today. Have a fantastic day. Give us a call in the office if you're looking to join us. So if you're looking for guidance, you're looking for hand-holding help, give me a call, 02-8003-7534. Have a fantastic day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.